So hello students, yesterday we have studied about the type of teeth, how teeth are categorized into four types and what are their functions. So today we will study about the categories of the teeth according to their origin, how the teeth are originated in our body. So first of all, the teeth is on the basis of origin, teeth is categorized into two parts. First one is milk teeth and second one is permanent teeth. This milk teeth is also called temporary teeth. Temporary teeth. Okay. So our teeth is categorized on two categories based on their origin. First one is milk teeth and second one is permanent teeth. So we will study about them separately. So first of all, milk teeth. Milk teeth gets to originated just after few months from birth. After few months. Just after few months of birth, this teeth gets to originated. Okay. Second thing, this milk teeth are 20 in number. These are 20 in numbers. Okay. 10 in each jaw. We all are having two jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw, and in each jaw, this teeth, milk teeth is having 10 in each. Means in upper jaw 10 teeth, in lower jaw 10 teeth. Okay. Now, what are the numbers of premolars, molars, canines, and incisors? So here we will write. First of all, in upper jaw or in lower jaw, in any jaw, there are 4 incisors. 4 incisors. Okay. Then 2 canines. 2 canines. And now what is remaining? Molars and premolar. So in milk teeth there are only molars, not premolars. So 4 incisors, 2 canines and 4 molars. 4 molars. In every human body or in every child, the milk teeth comes at the age of few months after the birth, and these are 20 in number, 4 incisors, 2 canines and 4 molars. Okay, and the lifeline of these teeth are 5 years. Life 5 years. Yes. So this was the last point for milk teeth, 5 years. Now after this 5 years, these milk teeth began to fall. And now here it comes permanent teeth. So we will study about this. Permanent teeth comes after 5 years. After 5 years. After 5 years, when these milk teeth begin to fall. Okay. Now, second point in this, the number in milk teeth was having 20, but in permanent teeth there are 32 teeth. These are 32 in numbers. 32 in numbers. So in each jaw there will be 16 in each jaw. 16 teeth in each jaw. Now about the different categories. So what about the different categories? If it is having 16 jaw, then here it will also be changed. Now what will be changed here? We will think about that and say about that. So from the middle, just like us, you can feel your jaw. Your jaw is in circular shape, semicircular shape, like this, U shape. So from the middle portion, it is having 8 this side and 8 this side. 8 and 8. The sum of 8 and 8, 16. So 16 in each jaw, and from the middle, one side 8 it is having. Okay. So in that 8, it is having 2 incisor. 2 incisor. Okay. Then one canine, 2 premolars. So what is the number remaining? 2 plus 3, 2, 5. And what is remaining? 3 molars. 3 molars. Okay. So this is the combination of permanent teeth in one jaw, or you can say in half jaw. And this half portion, it is having 8 teeth, 2 canines, 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molars. Okay. And the same as in opposite side. So total will be 16, and after that 16, in both the jaw, it will be having 32 teeth. Okay. So this was the permanent teeth. I think you all have understood. This was the category of milk teeth and permanent teeth and characteristics about them. Now we will study only 3 names are remaining. Those are enamel, dentine and pulp. So first of all, what is pulp? This is the structure of a teeth. It is the structure of a teeth. It is the white part that you see and through which you can take use of that. Okay. The inside of this teeth, this portion, this whole portion that is inside the enamel, that is called pulp. This is called pulp. And the covering of this teeth, the covering of this pulp means the part of the body, the part of the mouth in which this pulp is completely fixed. That is called enamel. This will be called enamel. And just beneath the enamel, means just after this enamel, this portion, the soft up area will be called dentine. Dentine. So pulp is the innermost part of the teeth that gets inside the enamel, and enamel is a part of the mouth in which the teeth are completely fixed, and it is the toughest part of our body. No other part is more tougher than it except the bones. Okay. Now, and dentine is just below the enamel, and it is a little bit softer than enamel. So this was our whole topic finished on teeth. This was the categories, and this was the structure of teeth and some useful part, or you can say important part, that is inside it. So this enamel is also covering the teeth. It is also maybe written in your book, and I am also telling you that enamel is that part which covers the teeth, or which holds the teeth in it. Okay. So today this topic is finished, and some more points are remaining to explain, that I will explain in our next session. Okay. Thank you, class.